My name is Bob, and my project was really trying to do some renovations around the house, turning it into a mid-century modern contemporary theme, something that I was planning on doing before I retire. I selected RWT basically because of my interaction with Romney. And when I met him and walking around the house, showing him what I wanted to do both inside and outside, the questions he asked were spot on, and just the relationship that we had was really important to me, and I knew he was the one for the job. One of the things that I'm really excited about was the shower. So for the longest time I had a step-in shower, and I always wanted a walk-in shower. And so Romney put together a team that did a spectacular job. So the other thing that I was thrilled over were the floors. But once again, Romney had a great crew coming in and did a wonderful job in doing the resurfacing of the floors. In regards to the kitchen, that turned out, could not be happier with that. So the backsplash, I'm thrilled with how that looks. It really goes into that mid-century modern design that I was looking for. And then the countertops, when those went in, I just was blown away by how well that just changed the whole look and feel of the kitchen. The other thing that we did in the house was replace all of the existing cabinet doors in the hallway and in the laundry room. I have already talked Romney up with so many of my friends and family. The thing that's amazing about Romney is, as I said earlier, he's very well connected, but he's also very nice. He will also be honest with what he is doing, and he was always conscientious of my budget. The other thing that I loved about Romney is he explains things in terms that I can understand. I don't understand construction, I don't understand plumbing or electrical, but he would explain it to me in a way that made sense so that I knew what was going on. You can't go wrong. Romney and his team, spectacular.